Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for a beautiful mini fire pit for your home, just to light up and enjoy the evening together with family and friends, then you need to check out this truly unique one from Stonhome. I love how beautiful this is. It's made from real handcrafted marble. You can tell when you lift this up that this is a really quality piece of art. It's heavy duty, and of course it's made from marble. How can you go wrong with something like that as a statement piece in your home? We really like the addition of the glass pebbles between the two marble columns because the fire really dances on those and it just really makes a nice aesthetic. Something that sets this fire pit apart from others is that it has a longer burn time. I used 70% isopropyl alcohol, and this worked so well. There's no ash that comes off of that, and it's perfectly safe to be able to roast marshmallows on. Other fire pits will only have like a 20 to 30 minute burn time, and this will burn up to 2 hours, which is awesome. That way you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy your time in front of it. The other thing that's great is that it's portable. So we took it to a friend's house and the kids just loved making s'mores with it. It's such a nice thing to have and brings an instant party anywhere you take it. My husband and I really love using it at home. It just brings a really nice, calm atmosphere to the house. I also love that this comes from a small family-owned business. So if you're looking for some tranquility in your life with a beautiful statement piece fire pit, I definitely recommend checking this one out, and that's my point of view.